Everywhere we go, we feel like we're strangers. On the other hand, it makes us feel major. If they never knew, then maybe they'll name ya. Don't let them change ya. When you finally find what's beautiful.
Hey friends, so on today's video I'm basically showing you all how to lighten up your lace if you may have tinted it a little too dark. All you're going to need is some boiling water and some RIT color remover. Right here I'm just showing you my wig and where I have dyed it a little too dark, and you can see where it doesn't match at all. But yeah, so you're going to pour the entire packet of the RIT Dye Remover into the boiling water and mix it well. Once you've mixed it well, you want to remove it from the burner so that it cools down. As you can see, mine is still smoking, but just make sure that it cools down before you dip the hair in there. So once you've gathered the hair, you kind of want to grab it like a glove. If you don't have it already made into a wig, then you can just grab the lace or the closure, and you're just going to dip it into the water. You don't want to soak it or drench it or like leave it in there to sit, but you just want to dab it in the water. So like dab but yeah, so you just dab it into the water. You're not letting it sit in there because the color removes from the lace really fast. So as you can see, my water had already turned colors because some of the color had already came off of the lace. And once you've reached your desired color, or once you think you've reached your desired color, you can just take it out, put it against your skin. If you want to go a little bit lighter, then you can just keep dipping it into the water. So here I'm just showing you all that it now matches my skin. You can see the difference between the first clip I just showed y'all and this clip right here, and it looks 10 times better. So once you've reached your desired color or your desired length, you're just going to rinse the hair off and the lace in cold water, and that's just to lock in any moisture and to lock in all the color from what you've just done, and basically repair the lace from any hot water that may have almost burned it. So once I rinsed it all in cold water and detangled it a little, I'm just gonna let it deep condition with my Aussie moist conditioner and let it sit for a few minutes. And then once it's done, I'm just gonna show you all a clip of how I put my wig on. So here I am doing my little routine. If you all want to see a full detailed video of how I put it on, then I will have that video up next week. So yeah, just stay tuned and wait for it. So as you can see, my lace did lighten up a bit. Girl, look at that. So y'all don't see that lace? So y'all don't see it? Oh, okay. I'm just making sure we both on the same page, baby. And that's about it. Here is the finished look of the lace, and it looks fabulous.
What's up, queens, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's very short video, I showed you all how to color correct or basically untint your lace. If you come across a problem where you may have tinted it a little bit too dark and don't know how to lighten it up, then this video is for you. As you can see, compared to the first clip that I showed you all, my lace looks 10 times better. It matches my skin a lot better than what it did when I first tinted it. I used the RIT dye in chocolate, I want to say, and I don't understand why I thought I was chocolate when I'm more of a tan color anyways, but it just didn't work for me. I'll try to post some videos or pictures because I did wear it for Christmas with the dark lace. I'm very happy with my results. I only tried this method because I didn't see any videos on YouTube about how to lighten your lace up, and I was just like, Lord, I really hope this works. And I must say that it really did work. So if this video helped you all out, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more videos for you guys in store. So yeah, I'll see you all next week.